Next, we're talking about map. What is a map? This is also a container, STL container, standard template library container, and this is called associative container, and what it has is key value pair. So each element has a key and a value. Key and value. This key value pair is used to insert and remove data. So using key, you can insert, delete, or retrieve any element. This also uses balanced binary tree and typically red-black tree for the operations, insertion, deletion. All right. So in this example, you can pause the video and read the text. Not going to read for you for everything. Just I'm touching the important things. The text are for that to read. And in this example, let's see. We have a student map. And again, we need to include the map header file. So you get the map, std map, that is defined in that header file. And we are defining integer as a key and string as a value for that map, and the map is a student map. So there will be int and a string in this case. So you are inserting make pair. std standard library also provides make pair function, which using that you can put a key and value, in this case a number, and a string, a name. So we have inserted 3 values. And those values you can read by using the key. In this case, you see accessing the value for key 2. So that means the Bob, the person named Bob will be read or print here. And also you can modify using that key. Now we call Robert. So instead of Bob, it will be Robert in that location. So we have first 1 Alice, 2 Bob, and 3 Charlie. After this statement, we are updating the value for key 2. That means instead of Bob, it will be Robert. So Bob is gone, and that Robert is replaced with. Also, you can erase. Erase is that this value will be gone after erase. And after that, if you print, you will have, you can use the for loop, the range-based for loop with an auto type. And now, if you use that as an object, the pair is an object, you can access by first and second member of that object. First is the key and the second is the value. So we after this statement erase, we have key 2 and key 3. So those two values will be printed. So the ID is in this case ID is 2 and name Robert, not Bob. Bob is replaced. And ID 3 Charlie. Name Charlie. So this is how the data will be printed. And this is a map. There is wide use of map and set in real life programming world. This helps the developer or programmer write code fast, efficiently, without thinking much about the array and complexity of pointers. The container is taking care of everything for you behind the scene.